we will solve, step by step, the expression, the cube root of 27 raised to the power negative 2. Our goal is to simplify it cleanly and quickly, with clear visual cues. Step 1. Rewrite a cube root as a fractional exponent. By definition, the cube root of a equals a to the 1/3. So the cube root of 27 to the power negative 2 becomes open parenthesis 27 to the power negative 2 close parenthesis to the 1/3. Step 2. Use the power of a power rule. The rule says, open parenthesis, a to the m close parenthesis to the n equals a to the m times n. Multiply negative 2 by 1/3 to get negative 2/3. So the expression simplifies to 27 to the power negative 2/3. Step 3. Interpret the exponent negative 2/3 in two equivalent ways. Method A keeps the single exponent. Method B separates the cube root and the negative square. First, take the cube root of 27 to get 3, because 3 cubed equals 27. Then apply the power negative 2, giving 3 to the power negative 2. Step 4. Simplify 3 to the power negative 2 using the negative exponent rule. The rule says a to the power negative n equals 1 over a to the n. Therefore, 3 to the power negative 2 equals 1 over 3 squared. And 3 squared equals 9, so the value is 1/9. That is our final simplified answer. Recap: cube root to fractional exponent. Power of a power, take the cube root of 27 to get 3, and apply the negative exponent rule. Everything leads to 1/9. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.